What up, Marshall fam? It's your boy, the Marshall Mix here. I got a special unboxing for you today. It's a mystery package, which, I ordered multiple things. But, I got a little mystery package right here. Sorry about the bird, background noise. I have a parakeet. His name's Buster, most awesome bird ever. That's not the point though. So I have this mystery package right here. Ordered like about 7 packages from eBay, or items from eBay. So, hope you guys enjoy, but let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up. Based on the weight of this, I'm guessing this is a taser. I'm not too sure. But well, we'll see. Alright, so where should I open it from? The survival kit should be a lot lighter. This needs to be sharpened. It's a little dull. Huh. Another package. What is this? Oh, I was wrong. Alright. Oh, close enough. This right here, guys, is my emergency blanket. So, open this up. That's one right. Oh, right here. Just gotta open this. This is my tent. So, this is Mylar. What Mylar is, if you didn't know, is it is super wind resistant and it traps in your heat. So when you're, let's say for example it's winter time or something, and you have an emergency, or you just, you're a winter camper like me, because I don't give a shit. Yes, I know you want my attention, Buster. But yeah, this right here, I don't know if I could set it up in here. I'll see if I can, and if not, I'll do it the next day. I'll just, I'll include that into the video. But yeah, this is made out of Mylar. This will keep you warm. Same thing right here. This is my emergency blanket. So, same thing, Mylar, just a blanket form. It's right here. This is my sleeping bag. So, this one I can definitely show you right now. I'll just have to fold it exactly to that to that fixture. First, take this out. To be honest, this feels really thin. They say it's tear resistant, so I saw some guy literally trying to rip this up, so I gotta remember exactly how to do this. So 1, 2, turn on the light first. And you got Buster Boy right there. Okay. So I'm gonna show you what this looks like. We're gonna open it up. That is one big sleeping bag. That is huge. Okay, so this is going to be very difficult to put back, but I'll do it. I'm doing this for you guys. So yeah. Yeah, it's pretty tear resistant. All right. So that is huge. I'm going to get in it real quick. And I'm going to sit in it for a little bit, see how much heat, see if I get hot in this. Right off the bat, it's pretty, honestly, this is pretty hard to get into. Like, you have to just scoot in. So, let's see. Okay, so I've been in here about 2 minutes, and I can already feel the warmth of, oh, sorry, I tilted my head back. I can already feel the warmth of the Mylar. Like, the heat, it feels like the heat is reflecting back onto my body, which is what it's supposed to do. So I'm gonna wait another probably 5 or 10 minutes and see how that feels. I'll tell you guys. Okay, so I've been sitting here for about 10 or 12 minutes now, and it's actually pretty damn hot in here. So I'm pretty sure that this stuff works. I mean, I could go outside. But right now, they don't feel like doing that. So I'll probably do the tent outside though. It requires, and if not, I'm very sorry, but it requires a string to go from one end to the other to hold it up. So I'd have to figure out where I could put that string and tie it down. But yeah, this works. Have your regular sleeping bag, right? What you're gonna do? Open that bad boy up. Bada bing. Open this up. Okay. This is what I would do. Some people like to put it in the inside of this. I think that would be very uncomfortable. You know, you can do it. It's just, I feel like that would be very uncomfortable. So you're gonna put this on the outside, and this is gonna take me a second. Okay, so I only have it like 3/4 of the way in, but you get the general idea. So and this isn't even unfolded all the way either, but that's not the point. You'll have this on the inside and on the outside. But yeah, this would be great. Like, honestly, what I was thinking about doing is getting my setting up my regular tent, and if the tent fits inside of the other tent, I was thinking about putting the tent on, this is a triangle, but I was thinking about putting that tent on the inside of that tent so I get the maximum amount of warmth from the tent. So this way I wouldn't need to buy a fireplace to, do a hot tent. I could just do this, so it'd be a lot to set up and take down, but this is only like $10 on eBay. Well worth the purchase. But yeah, I'll carry this everywhere in my ADC bag. Okay, so I literally have no patience for this. So, like, folding up that bag in the exact same spots is so hard to do with such a thin material. So instead, what I'm going to do is I rolled it up, and now I'm compressing it. My weight. Put it in a different bag though. So, yeah, it's it's not as light, or it's not as compact as it was before, but I don't have patience to put that in the exact order that it needs to be, so yeah, I'm just kind of standing on it. I am not testing this right now because that took so long just to even roll up. So you'll get a video of me testing all of these one day. But when I go camping, probably. But yeah, you get the idea. The Mylar works. It's very nice. See, I wish I could have folded it so perfectly like this, but I can't. I mean, I can, but I just don't have the patience for it. Yeah. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. You'll get more videos like this, unboxings and whatnot. Since this is the Marshall Mix, so I'll be doing a mix of things on this channel. Martial arts, gaming, all kinds of other things. But yeah, you will be able to get many things from... I don't even know what I'm saying. Anyways, have a good day, guys. Later.